Listen and read. A. Bowl. Cage. Clever. Companion. Fishbowl. Friendly. Grass. Seed. Teach tricks. B. Bowl. A small bowl. A bowl of soup. A bowl of fruit. A bowl of salad. Where are the apples? They are in the bowl. Cage. A big cage. A cage for animals. A bird cage. When I travel, my canary travels with me in a cage. Clever. A clever dog. A clever answer. Clever children. That's a clever idea. Tom is a clever young man. Companion. A good companion. A clever companion. To have a companion. The dog soon became my true companion. Fishbowl. A big fishbowl. A glass fishbowl. I keep my goldfish in the fishbowl. Friendly. A friendly dog. Friendly companions. To be friendly to somebody. John enjoys working here. The people are so friendly to him. Grass. Green grass. In the grass. To walk on the grass. Who lives in the grass? Grasshoppers do. Seed. A lot of seeds. A bowl of seeds. To eat seeds. To grow from seed. Last year I grew a sunflower from seed. To teach tricks. My puppy knows some tricks. I'd like to teach him new tricks.